Good day, viewers. Okay, I'm back. Like I told you. Remember, I am still your teacher, Mrs. Onachukwu Shalom. Today, I brought you a full topic. Yes, I want to teach you fully on how to say the Igbo alphabet, how to pronounce them, how best to be able to recite the Igbo alphabet. Yes, it's very easy. Like in my previous video, I gave you a brief, or would I say non-professional video on that. I was just doing it for fun for myself, and then people liked it and they asked me to come up with more. So today I'm going to give you how best to recite the alphabet ABD Igbo. ABD Igbo di iri atọ na isii. Iri atọ na isii, 36 in English language. ABD Igbo, that's the alphabet, the iri atọ na isii. Okay? And we're going to take it. There's a way I usually teach it. I group them in fives. Ekerem ha isi ise ka o kwe gị nghọta. Ekerem ha isi ise. Nke ikpeazụ bụ nke nkere uzi isii. That's 6. I group them in fives, and the last one is in group of 6. Okay, for easy understanding and for easy reading. Let's go. Follow me on this journey. I'm going to go through it, then I come back one after the other. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, H, G, H, I, J, K, Mkpuruedemede Igbo, Mkpuruedemede. You see? Now, let's go again. This is A, B, C, D, E. Do you know one good thing about Igbo alphabet? You pronounce them with the sounds. Yes. It's very complete, unlike the English alphabet that are just 26. This one is 36. It's complete. You pronounce them with the sound, and each one just has one sound. Unlike the English alphabet, where A can have different sounds, A, or sometimes. But in Igbo language, A is A. It's very easy. Igbo language is one of the easiest languages to learn. It's one of the, in fact, the alphabet is one of the easiest to learn, because each sound is just one sound for each alphabet. One sound. It doesn't produce or make two sounds. Okay? And then we don't pronounce them. We don't call them like A, B, C, D. No, we pronounce them according to their sounds. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, H, G, H, I, J, K, Mkpuruedemede Igbo, Mkpuruedemede. Watch this. I'm going to go over them one after the other. A. This is A. This is E. They are not the same thing. A is A. B, C, D, E. And not A. E is E. E is always known as E, not E. It's E. F, G, B, E, Gui. He. Look at this one. He. J, K, Pi, qui, l, n. Pi, qui, l, me, ne. You see, you pronounce that with the sound. Nye, 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 o, o, no dot. With a dot. Nye, nye, ngwa, ngwa. Nwe, nye, o, pi, ri, s, she, ti, ti. This is she, and this is chi. They're not the same. She, chi. Okay, let's go ahead. Oo, o, o, vi, wi, ye, ze. Now let's go to my song. I made a song with it. A, B, C, D, E, fi, gi, wi, hi, wi, hi, I, je, ke, I, kwele, mene, nge, wenye, o, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, u, vi, wi, ye, ze. U, vi, wi, ye, ze. A, B, C, D, E, fi, gi, wi, hi, wi, hi, I, je, ke, I, kwele, mene, nge, wenye, o, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, u, vi, wi, ye, ze. U, vi, wi, ye, ze. A, B, C, D, E, fi, gi, wi, hi, wi, hi, je, ke, I, kwele, mene, nge, wenye, o, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, u, vi, wi, ye, ze. U, vi, wi, ye, ze. A, B, C, D, E, fi, gi, wi, hi, wi, hi, je, ke, I, kwele, mene, nge, wenye, o, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, u, vi, wi, ye, ze. U, vi, wi, ye, ze. A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, fi, gi, wi, hi, wi, hi, je, ke, I, kwele, mene, nge, wenye, o, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, u, vi, wi, ye, ze. U, vi, wi, ye, ze. Okay, that's fun. Let's go over to udume. Udume, the vowels. And this one is very important because it will help you to know how to pronounce, how to read Igbo, how to write Igbo. Udume, the vowels sounds in Igbo language. We have 8 vowel sounds. That's asato. Udume Igbo di asato. 8. 8 means asato. 8 vowel sounds in Igbo language. And they are a, e, o, u. I'm going to take them one after the other. A, e. This one with the dot. E. Let's go again. E, o, o, u, You see? Please note this. There's a difference between those that have dots and those that does not dot. Watch. This is E and this is E. Comes down. E. This is O. Watch my mouth. O. This one is oo. This one is O. Most times people used to confuse this with this. They're not the same. This is O, O, O. This is O, 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 O. They are not the same. Please don't confuse them. O, O. This is O, and this is Oo. They are not the same. O. This is Oo. They are not the same. This one is E, and this is A. They are not the same. A, E. I found the song too. Look, just listen. A, E, I, O, O, U, U. Let me take it again. A, E, I, O, O, U, U. A, E, I, O, O, U, U. Faster. A, E, I, O, O, U, U. 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 Okay, let's go from the beginning. I like this. I like using songs to teach it. It makes it interesting. A, B, C, D, E. Figi, wi, hi, hi, I, J, K. Mkpuruedemede Igbo o, O. Pereseshiti. Oviwieze. Oviwi. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E. Figi, wi, hi, J, K. Mkpuruedemede Igbo o, O. Pereseshiti. Oviwieze. Oviwieze. A, E, I, O, O, U, U. A, E, I, O, O, U, U. A, E, I, O, O, U, U. Don't mind me. I can be very crazy sometimes. Okay. These vowels are divided into two. They are divided into two. You know, yes, they are divided into two. And maybe in our next teaching, I'm going to talk about their division. Okay, for now, I know you enjoy.